everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to properly hang a wire painting. This method is great for ensuring your artwork is level and secure on the wall. So let's get started. First and foremost, you will need a measuring tool. A ruler or a measuring tape will work fine. Some people eyeball it, but I like to play it safe, so I measure it. A measuring tape is especially useful for larger paintings, by the way. Then you will need a hammer, 2 eye screws, a nail, this will help to create an entrance hole for the eye screw later, a pencil to mark, a hanging metal wire, and of course your painting. There's another material I forgot to include. You will need a wire cutter as well to cut the wire later. Okay, now we have all the materials we need. We can get started. First, we will need to mark where the eye screws will go. So a good rule of thumb is to divide the back of your painting into thirds. Measure and mark 1/3 from the top using a pencil and a ruler. You can also just eyeball it if you want. This is simply my preference. Repeat on the other side as well. Make sure both of the marks you made are at the same level. If your canvas is thick like mine is about 4 centimeters thick, mark the inside edge too, because this can help you to place the eye screws more correctly later on. Step 2. Inserting the eye screws. Take a nail and then hammer it halfway into the spot you've marked. You don't need to go all the way through, just enough to create a hole for the eye screws to be inserted later. Once you've hammered it halfway, remove the nail. Now the hole is ready for the eye screw. Insert the eye screw and twist it in using your hand. If, let's say, it's too tight, you can use pliers or scissors for extra grip by inserting them into the loop and then turning it. Repeat on the other side as well. Double check that both the eye screws are level before moving on to the next step. Now on to the final step, which is attaching the wire. Cut your wire to the desired length using a wire cutter. To estimate the length, you'll need to pull the wire taut across the top. It should have about 2 to 3 inches of space above the wooden top of the canvas so that it doesn't interfere with wall hooks later. Twist the ends of the wire securely around each eye screw to keep it in place. Be careful not to hurt yourself during this process because the ends of the wire can be quite sharp. And also be careful not to puncture your painting because that has happened to me before. And that is it, you're done. Your painting is now ready to be hung securely on the wall. This method ensures your artwork will stay level and safe when you hang it later. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions. See you in the next video. Bye!